In today's video, I'm going to be organizing my office drawers. They are so messy and I need to get them together. So if you are interested in seeing some satisfying organizational and a bit of motivational cleaning, then just keep on watching. Hey you, welcome back. For those of you who are new here, my name is Brittany. I am a homebody and a mother. I do lifestyle and homemaking here on this channel, so if you are interested in that sort of content, hit the subscribe button below and let's get into this video. So today I'm sitting in my office, and that is because I need to get these office drawers together. So this office is my home office. I do work in this office both on my YouTube and I do work from the house sometimes. So this space needs to be functional. It's not my dream office, and I do have plans to turn this office into more of a glam office eventually, but that is one of the last things on my list because there's a few other rooms in this house that I want to get where I want them before I redo this room. So in this room, I used what I had, furniture pieces that I already had, bookshelves, things like that, and I'm going to turn you around to show you what I'm working with, and I'm explaining all of these things to you first so that when you see it, you will be like, girl, that don't, what's going on? I just use what I had and it does work for me. It is functional. Let's jump into what we are going to tackle today. So this is the current situation in here. I have my IKEA desk, the one that was in the original closet. If you guys have been with me for a while, you remember this desk. It is my center desk. I did originally have this desk here, and this one was in my guest bedroom, but I've recently moved it back into this room. It was in here. I don't know if you guys have seen my beauty setup. It has changed in this house 5 times, and at one point it was in this room because this room used to be my beauty room at one point, and the desk was over there. Now that situation is my wrapping station with gift bags. I'm gonna get that together in another video, but now this desk is back here, and over here, that is where I keep more work items and things like that. And then over here I have a little stand with my printer, and then over here, this used to be my filming desk that I used to set all my makeup and things on that, and I have it here because it's easy to move around and it gives me more space. But this creates like a U-shaped situation for me, which is very beneficial when I am working. Again, it's not my ideal setup, and one day I am going to change all of this out for a glam U-shaped situation. The bookshelves are going to be different, the flooring is going to be different in here. Everything is going to be very glam one day for this office. That is my vision. But today we are focusing on these drawers. These drawers are catastrophic. I need to get them organized. I've got some things that I want to get put into the drawers. This is one of the drawers from my vanity. All of this stuff is office stuff that needs to go in the office, right, and not in my vanity. So I'm going to clear this out. Don't mind the band-aid. I did cut myself, very minor, but all of this is going to be organized. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm kind of going through the drawers to just take out stuff that I know I'm not going to keep, that I'm going to throw away. And what I think I'm going to do is I think one side will be office supplies, and then the other side will be things that I don't use all the time, like cords. Let me go ahead and get this one clear, and I can just load this side of office supplies. So I'm going to start with that. are getting there. So now this drawer is completed, and basically it's just kind of my tool drawer, and this definitely helps me be more functional, more organized. And I still have some things left in here. I'm gonna get all this put away. Okay guys, so for the finished product, I did go ahead and switch out these two. I don't know if you guys saw the case that I had to take out the other drawer. I ended up cutting that in half and putting my color pencils in one and all markers, including Sharpies, in the other. The pens that I had down here, I actually stuck in this little guy up here, colored pens and highlighters. And then in this one, I have all of my pencils. So no matter what type of pencil it is, I have all that there. And so in here, I have some note cards, sticky notes, little label stickers. All of these are my planners stickers. I have 4 different type of books with full of stickers for my planner, clips for my planner, a small little calculator in here, a little notepad, a little post-it notepad, thank you cards down here that I can send thank you notes. Drop in the comments below if you are a thank you note sender, like if you think it is a necessity to send thank you notes. Over here I keep my scissors, E6000 glue right there. These are little clips for my planner, washi tape, a staple puller, tape, staples for the stapler, measuring tape. That is what is in this drawer. Over here as well, so I just have regular blue and black pens in here, some red down there as well, paper clips. My sharpener broke, so I just took out the actual sharpening part of it in this little tray that I have. It's like one of the tops to that guy, and I'm just using it to catch all the shavings, and then I dump that in the trash. But then I have all of my charging cords here, headphones, stuck a lighter here for my candle, more chargers back there. These are the little guys for my little board that I keep in the kitchen. Right now it says only cozy vibes for fall. All kinds of letters and symbols in there. Extra mouse, phone stuff under here, phone cases, screen protectors, things like that. In here, little tools and stuff that I might need. This is the remote for the lights that I have on the back of the desk, but I'm actually going to move that to the kitchen for LED lights. My label maker tape, more screws, headphone adapter for iPhones, pins for my world map, tacks, things like that, extra charger adapters. And then for my desk, what I keep on top, obviously my Mac, okay, Brittany TV. If you're not subscribed, go and hit that subscribe button. Then down here, I have just my keyboard, my JBL speaker. I love these little Rolls Gold office supplies. I got them from Amazon. Stapler and the tape. I keep a calculator here. I keep a calculator out at all times because I use it for personal and for work. My little iPhone stand, I love this. Got that from work. That is a speaker. This little lamp I got from IKEA. I love that. Over here, I just keep a notepad next to my keyboard. I can write down whatever I'm thinking, whatever I need to do, to-do list, things like that. I keep a candle from Bath & Body Works. This one is the Champagne Toast. Really love that one. Some hand sanitizer, another speaker. These speakers are for my computer. This one is a portable one, so I use it for my iPhone mostly. I can just carry it around the house. I got this cute little guy right here from Target Dollar Spot. It was $3. I thought it was so cute because it has, you know, a ruler on it, but it's that pop of green. I love green. It's one of my favorite colors. Just speaks life to me, and I love plants. Mouse pad with my Mac mouse. I keep a fan right there just in case I get hot. That is the subwoofer to this little speaker system. I've had the speaker system for years. I mean, like over a decade, and it just, I love it because it plugs into the headphone jacks at the back of the computer. Love that. I have some journals here. This one my sister bought me. I love this. It says, "Be still and know that I am God." If you know that Psalm 46:10, if you open it, it has lots of different scriptures in it. Love that. This one I got from Charming Charlie's. My doctor says I need glasses, but it's like cocktail wine glasses. So cute. This is my stand for all of my planners, notebooks, folders, and I love that these are rose gold. I got all of these from Walmart, actually, a few of them. I keep them all in here. I've had them for a while, so I'm not sure if Walmart still has them. Can't remember where I got these. That is my work computer. I keep a mirror here. I do sit here and do my makeup sometimes in the morning before I go to work. Work phone, personal laptop, or important documents. Here I keep an extra stapler. I've had this one for years. That is my external hard drive. Over here I keep my printer, just in case I need to print anything. It sits on this little stand that I got from a store called DD's Discount. It's gold. On top of that, I have my label maker. The stand does have storage down there, and I just keep paper and things. And then on this little table, I just have a covering over it. It allows me to have extra space. I really love being surrounded by a U when I'm working. Number one, because it's cozy. But number two, it just gives me the ample amount of space that I need when I'm working or when I'm doing whatever. And on here, I just keep like my adult coloring book. And I got these prints from Farrah Murhai's blog. These are actually pictures that she had drawn up of her home, and you can print them out for free to color them. So I'm doing that. And this is such a stress reliever for me. Under that, I just have my vision board. Highly recommend that you do a vision board. I can't tell you how many things on this vision board that I have been able to check off without even realizing that it already happened for me since I've done the vision board. So I highly recommend you do vision boards. And then here I keep my essential makeup products that whenever I'm sitting here in the morning, if I do my makeup, nothing like foundation, bronzer, anything like that, just minimal makeup, like something for the eyes, a little blush palette there, my essential brushes, my powder, because I am oily, so I have to have that powder. I love this spray oil, body and hair. I use it mostly for body. It says it's for face too, but I would never put that on my face. And then eyebrow pencil, eyeliner, mascara, lipstick, concealer, things like that. So this is my desk, guys. I am just using what I have, and that's my tip for you guys, to just go ahead and use what you have and make your spaces functional for you, and then when you can, upgrade to what you really want. I hope you guys can take some of this with you, implement it into your own homes, and create a beautiful space for you. That is going to be all for this video, guys. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button below for more homemaking content like this. I hope you found this video motivational and inspirational to get your spaces clean as well. I'm gonna leave some videos here on the screen for you to watch for more homemaking content, and I will see you in the next video. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful.